OT is operation technology, okay? Many of you might know that, okay? But just to straighten that out. And what I said to myself, wow, OT, IT is coming together. It now covers the entire supply chain as far as connectivity. So I actually drew this circle. It took me a while to put it together, but I actually have copyrighted it to show all that connectivity, okay? And think about it, now that we have that connectivity, think about, you know, IoT, right? That's been a big thing. The Internet of Things, okay? And even beyond that, there's IoT, which is the industrial Internet of Things, okay? And they talk about systems going to the edge, like little, you know, even your, you know, cell phone is really almost a system that you take to the plant floor, put data in, send it out, okay? We didn't have things like that before. And that's what, you know, has brought to us the IoT type of thing.